Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Kelsey and I do a lot of makeup and beauty related videos, the occasional college lifestyle video in there, and welcome to Tutorial-tober is what I'm calling it. If you hate it, let me know in the comments down below and I'll try and think of something cuter. But basically, all of October is going to be tutorials and I'm very excited because I feel like I often don't do tutorials as much as I want to, so I'm really excited to have a whole month dedicated to just tutorials, and we're going to start off more basic and then kind of go into Halloween themes ones as we go later into the month. So I'm very excited and I hope you guys are too. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe down below to my channel for more fun content and so that you know when I upload. But just for the record, I upload every Monday at 11 a.m. So if you're curious, that's when videos go up. So today's look is going to be all about like chocolates and browns. It's going to be a really wearable, like dark bombshell smoky eye. I'm going to be using my favorite palette, the ColourPop Bare Necessities palette, to create this look today. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are too. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have zoomed you in really close to my eyes so you can really see the true colors of the true pigmentation of the colors that I use, and so you can really see the techniques that I'm using. And this is mainly focused on eye looks. Sorry, it's early in the morning, my voice is doing weird things. So I'm going to go ahead and start by priming my eyes, and I'm using my NARS eyeshadow primer like always. Just gonna blend that in with my finger. I hope you all are having a wonderful beginning to October. It is getting closer and closer to election season, which I know is putting a lot of people on edge. So there's that. I dropped a coin. Alright, so this is the ColourPop Bare Necessities palette. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys out a little bit. There we go, that's better. You guys can see me a little bit more. So this is the ColourPop Bare Necessities palette. If you haven't seen it before, like I said, it is my favorite palette of all time because as much as I wear colorful looks, I truly am a neutral girl. So this palette just speaks to me on all kinds of levels. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Basically, this look is all about building depth and dimension. I did this for a collaboration a while ago and I just kind of fell in love with it and I use it a lot, and so I wanted to share it with you. So the first thing I'm going to do actually is kind of set the primer down with the color here called In the Buff. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and just kind of pat that down really quick. I've gotten really into setting my eye primer recently. Can't necessarily explain why, I just started doing it. Okay, so now on that same brush, I'm taking another mirror down below me. I'm going to take the color On Holiday that's over here and Banter over on this end here. And I'm going to blend those two into my crease. And I'm taking that same fluffy brush because this is just kind of a really fluffy transition shade, basically. So I'm not trying to be precise with this one at all. And the theme kind of going throughout this look is focusing on the outer corner and blending inwards. So I kind of stamp it on the outer corner and outer crease, and then I kind of start to blend it out with some circular and windshield wiper motions. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Blinged Brushes E1. This is that angled fluffy crease brush. And I'm going to go in with a combination of Hot Gossip here on the end. And we're where is it? Tabloid on the row right below it. And again, I'm going to kind of stamp those into my outer corner and work my way inwards. Okay, so now that I have that laid down, I'm going to go in with a combination of Taboo, which is over here, and Velveteen, which is over here. And that's going to kind of be like the last real layer that we add to this crease. And I'm taking a much smaller brush. This is the ColourPop E21. And I'm going to focus that mostly on the outer corner and not even really go into the crease all that much. And you can see I've kind of created a soft wing shape here. I'm only going into the crease about that much, maybe a third of the way in. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. This is the ColourPop E15. And I'm just going to take it and quickly clean it off really quick and then just kind of buff everything out around the crease. I want this to be really feathered and soft and blended. And if you end up feathering it out too much, you can always go back and clean it up later. I'm kind of using circular motions to do this. Alright, so now the color I'm going to take on my lid is going to be a combination of All For You and Hot Gossip over here. I'm just going to take that on my index finger and just kind of place that on my lid. It's okay if you go over that darker edge out there. We're gonna kind of redo that as well. And I'm mostly stamping it on and then kind of pushing outwards. But I just want to stamp it so that I can really get all the pigmentation on there. So I'm going to take that precise brush again and go in with the colors Velveteen and Taboo, just like we did before, and kind of re-darken up that edge. Now, if you wanted to, you could very easily turn this into a halo eye and add that same darkness here in the inner corner and bring it all the way across, but I'm going for something a little bit lighter today. But you absolutely could. I think that's what I did the first time that I did this look. But... So the last thing that I'm going to do is I want to do the lower lash line. And I want to take those two darker colors that we've been using, Velveteen and Taboo. And I'm going to take them on an angled eyeliner brush like this. This is the ColourPop E6. I'm trying to do this where you guys can see it. And put it on the outer third or so of my lower lash line. I'm sorry if you guys can't see this. I'm hoping you can. And then what I'm going to do to finish up the lower lash line is I'm going to take a little bit of Tabloid and Hot Gossip and kind of put that in the center of my eye and use that to blend into the darker color that's on the edge here. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush. I'm going to take this ColourPop E18. It's like a fluffy shader brush, and I'm just going to blend that out really quickly. I'm going to buff and smoke it out. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put on some liner, lashes, etc. and come back in time to kind of give you guys an outro, maybe do a lip color with this, and I will check in with you guys in a little bit. Alright everybody, we're back and this is the final look. I just added a winged liner and I added some black to my upper and lower waterline, so like my tight line and my waterline, mascara of course, and I love to pair this look with a dark lip. I just think it looks so smoky and sexy and sultry, and I love the way it came out. Like I said, you could easily do this look as a halo eye and add some darkness to the inner corner, but I wanted to keep it more gentle for you guys today. But this is the final look, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed and found this tutorial helpful, and I hope you're as excited for Tutorial-tober as I am. I'm very excited and I can't wait for you guys to see what I have in store. So like I said before, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more fun content, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye everybody!